Bonjour. A scarf is a great way to add some French chic to any of your outfits. Indeed, it can be both an accessory as well as a statement piece. It can dress up anything casual, looks good with denim, and this is definitely a signature of a French chic look. If you don't know how to tie a scarf properly and how not to feel overly accessorized, here is your guide to wearing a scarf the French way. In this video, I will show you 15 ways to wear and tie a scarf like a French woman. This video is your French girl guide to wear a scarf. Before showing you how to wear a scarf like a French woman, let me show you the kind of scarf French women wear all year long. Indeed, in France, there are 3 different kinds of scarves. What we call une écharpe, un foulard, une étole. They all have the same meaning in English, a scarf. But the difference between those lies in the material, the texture, the thickness, and also the style. First, une écharpe, meaning a scarf also in English, is made of heavy fabrics like wool, cashmere, or cotton. It is a staple in a French winter capsule wardrobe. It has a long, narrow rectangle. Its width also makes it the perfect essential for winter. Second, the foulard, the silk scarf, which is the kind of scarf that French women love to wear all year long for all different seasons. For the purpose of this video, we are going to focus on the scarf, the silk foulard. It's a lightweight scarf, typically made of silk, chiffon, viscose. It can be square or rectangular. Since it is lighter and smaller than the écharpe, it can be worn in mid-season and all year long. And of course, the most iconic silk scarf in France is the Hermes scarf, which I will be using in this video. For the references, please check all the link below the video. The dimension of this scarf is 90 by 90, which is the most common Hermes dimension. I chose the Hermes scarf for the versatility. Indeed, you can transform this scarf in different dimensions depending on what you want to achieve. The first way to tie and wear a silk scarf is to get what we call the French twist. This is my favorite way to get this French chic look. To get the French twist, first wrap the scarf around your neck, pull the 2 ends in front of you. While maintaining the 2 ends, create a loop by steering the front end of the scarf. Inside this little loop, pass through the first and second end of the scarf and then adjust and tie up the knot. I love a French twist for the versatility. This is probably my favorite way to wear the scarf. It works well with something more dress up and also with a jean. And something that is very French is to know how to accessorize your scarf without looking too bulky or too overdone. And usually I love to accessorize my scarf adding small pieces of jewelry. I usually go for something that is minimalist, dainty, and at the same time that mix and match very well with the scarf I am wearing. And to make sure that I never look overdone, I don't accessorize with over 3 different things. For example, in this outfit, I am accessorizing this scarf with large earrings from JESCOJES. If you don't know JESCOJES, this is a contemporary jewelry brand that offers high-quality jewelry pieces with a feminine and French twist. The brand emphasizes on minimalist aesthetic with necklaces, earrings, and bracelets crafted from plated 14K gold, silver, and natural freshwater pearls. And the first jewelry pieces I love to accessorize with scarf is definitely earrings. And I love these large Baroque pearl drop earrings from JESCOJES. These are beautiful pendant Baroque pearl crafted from plated 18K gold and a premium natural freshwater pearls. I love the mix and match fabric between gold and freshwater pearls, the irregular gold earth stack, and the Baroque large pearl. I love drop earrings. They're usually super chic and super elegant. The pearls have also triple A grade with a beautiful radiant glow. They look super shiny. And what I love also about these beautiful earrings, they are incredibly comfortable to wear and very lightweight. The next piece I want to show you from the brand is a double layer pearl bracelet. This is a beautiful minimalist stack of pearl bracelet and a mix also of gold buds. Made from elastic material, this bracelet fits all different wrist sizes. It is crafted from premium Kerchief freshwater pearl and a mix also of 14K gold buds. It is minimalist, dainty, and at the same time very feminine. This is the perfect accessory with a scarf. And the last piece I want to show you from the brand is the beautiful Lulu pendant necklace. This is a beautiful pendant necklace made of plated 18K yellow gold, adorned with a premium Kerchief freshwater pearl. The chain is adjustable from 16 to 18 inches, depending also of your size. I love this pendant pearl necklace. And don't forget to check below the video to get all the references of these beautiful pieces I am wearing today. I love this brand. It is very chic, very stylish, and at the same time still affordable. The next way to wear a scarf like a Frenchwoman is to go for the shoulder bow. The shoulder bow scarf is best done with a lightweight scarf like this one I am wearing. First, fold your scarf to the desired thickness. Then, single knot it on the side of your body the way you want the bow to be featured. Finally, tie the ends in a small bow and also place it on your shoulder where it feels best. For a more voluminous bow, gently unfold the loops to add volume. And the next one is probably the most famous one. This is the classic French knot of a Parisian bow. This is probably the way I wear scarf all year long. This is classic and super chic. First, simply fold your scarf until it is one thin band. Next, wrap the folded band comfortably around your neck, crossing the two ends behind your neck. Then, bring the two ends to meet just under your chin and secure them with a single knot. Last, adjust the position of the knot slightly to one side and tie the double knot. And the next one is called the Kerchief drape. The Kerchief drape is an easy, relaxed way to style your favorite silk scarf. First, fold the fabric in half diagonally, creating a triangle. Then, with the peak corner of the triangle of the center of your chest, wrap the over two corners around the back of your neck and over the opposite shoulder. And there is no need to tie the scarf, as pulling the corner on each shoulder will tighten and also secure the wrap. The next one is called the triangle scarf knot. The triangle scarf tie is another variation of the Kerchief drape detailed just before. Again, you will fold your square scarf diagonally to obtain a triangle, and you will align the peak corner of your triangle with the center of your chest. Next, wrap one shoulder corner around the back of your neck to meet the other shoulder corner. Then arrange the drape of a triangle or secure the shoulder corner in a loose knot. The next one is very chic. It is called the Italian twist. The Italian twist is an understated way to style your scarf. Next, wrap the scarf around your neck, aligning the middle point of the scarf under your chin. Cross the folded bands of your scarf behind your head and bring the ends of your scarf over each shoulder. Then, loosely tie the ends of the scarf in a single knot. You can adjust the knot carefully and allow the folds to loosen gently. The next one is slightly more casual. This is called the over the shoulder. Sometimes your scarf styling can be as simple as throwing it over your shoulder. For this classic look, you can choose the dimension you prefer for your scarf. Adjust the scarf to where one end of the scarf is hanging longer than the other. The last step is to bring the longer end of your scarf across your chest and over the opposite shoulder. It might take a few tries before achieving this look, but it is a fail-safe scarf wearing option for all types of different scarves. And the next one is called the reverse strap. The reverse strap is a simple matter of laying your scarf artfully across the front of your body and over your shoulders. It is so easy to achieve. You just have to drop the scarf around your neck, starting the reverse way, however it looks best, letting the corners fall down at the front. This style has a very effortless chic attitude, so don't try to make it perfect. The next one is very famous and very let down. It's called the single infinity. The single infinity scarf tie loops your beautiful silk scarf around your neck and shoulders and drops across the front of your outfit to give the scarf design center stage. Pinch small sections of the corners that meet and tie them together. And when you hold the scarf up, you will find that the knots have made a large loop of the scarf that can be fitted over your neck. Drop the loop scarf over your shoulder and across your chest to create a beautiful layer over your shirt. And the next one is called the knot double loop. To create the look, fold your scarf into a long rectangle shape. Wrap the folded scarf around your neck 2 times, then secure with a loose double knot. You can adjust the knot to one side, and if you want more volume, you can also loose it up. The next way to style a scarf like a Frenchwoman is of course to add a scarf to your handbag. Styling a scarf on an handbag is a great way to add a pop of color and to create also an hand-free polish look. And the most common way to add a scarf to your handbag is to usually add what we call the Twilly scarf. This dimension 80 by 80 is just perfect for the top handle of your bag. Twilly scarves were first introduced by the French luxury brand Hermes in the late 30s, and they were originally designed to be used as a way to protect the handles of the Hermes bag. But today they're also a great option to style your handbag. There are different ways to add a scarf to your handbag. The first one is to create a bow tie or just to let the scarf hanging around. Fold the scarf in half lengthwise. Place the scarf around the side of the handle of your purse with a folded edge at the top. Bring the ends of the scarf together and tie a small knot at the top of the handle. And if you do have a top handle of your bag, the most common way is to wrap the scarf around the top handle. Tie one end of the scarf in a small knot to the base of the purse handle. Wrap the scarf around the handle of your purse depending on how long the scarf is. If your scarf is long enough, you can wrap the entire purse top handle and tie the loose end in a small knot at the end of the handle. The next way to tie a scarf like a Frenchwoman is to create a scarf belt. Fold the scarf in half and place at the back of the neck so that the ends are hanging at the front of your outfit. Wrap a belt around your waist and secure. You can also move the buckle to one side. Adjust the scarf so that both sides are perfectly and equally even. And the next one is probably one of my favorite ones, the choker. I love to wear the choker, especially with an open back top. It is so easy to do it, and at the same time, it makes a huge statement. First, fold the scarf into a thinner width. Wrap around your neck and knot in the back of your neck. You can knot it twice just to make sure that it is secure enough. And the little thing, of course, is to let the ends hanging at the back. The next one is called the Cowboy bandana. I love it and I find it extremely Parisian. First, fold the scarf in a triangle design. Then wrap around the back of your neck. Bring the scarf around to the front and crisscross the ends. Wrap one end under the other and knot the two ends. And the last one, which I just love, is the bracelet scarf. A very creative way to wear a scarf is also to wear it as a bracelet scarf, and it is super French. First, fold the scarf into a thin band. Twist it as you wrap it around your waist multiple times. Secure it by tucking the ends under the layers or tying just a small knot. And if you think that the bracelet scarf is too bulky, probably because the scarf is too big, You can also switch to a smaller scarf to get something probably a little bit less voluminous. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoy this video about how to tie and wear a silk scarf. Don't forget to check below the video to get all the references of the pieces I'm wearing in this video, and also if you want to buy some silk scarf at an affordable price, I did put a list of my favorite silk scarf. Let me know what you think about this video. I will be very interested to know how you style your scarf, or if you love to wear scarf for every day. Don't forget also to check this jewelry brand, JESCOJES, Je suis comme je suis. Don't forget to subscribe, to follow me on all my different social media. I have a lot of new projects, new ideas that are going to come up in the next month. And I see you very soon for another video.